Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me.
I create videos about different print-on-demand websites. I do shorts with unboxings from products that I've purchased from different print-on-demand platforms as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Today's video is about Sales Samurai. I am here to introduce you to this massive Etsy growth tool that I want to show you guys about. It is dubbed as the all-in-one tool for Etsy growth. You can register to use Sales Samurai for free. They do have a pricing structure that I will show you guys in a few seconds, but here is a quick overview of the website. It helps you to grow your Etsy business by discovering, analyzing, and implementing what you learn from the website. It helps to find SEO high volume words and spy on your competition, helps with tags and prices and different filter options. It is very advanced and you can learn from some of the best sellers. This is 100% customer data driven. Great tool to help you with all of your Etsy marketing. It really helps you to automate the scaling of your business. So here is the pricing plan. You can use it for $9.99 a month or on the yearly plan for $99.99. Some of the things it talks about is price spread, shipping days, and shipping costs. All of these things that you can see inside. Lots of top Etsy sellers are recommending Sales Samurai. I am going to go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you'll see the home page. I'm going to go ahead and click shop. And you see I have already added my shop, but if you needed to add a shop, you would just hit connect and it will bring up the process for you. But because my shop is already connected, I don't need to go through this again, but it will ask you to allow the access on the Etsy platform. Make sure you're signed into that Etsy shop. But here are some of my products right now. It's let me know I have active 57 listings. I have 258 missing tags, meaning I'm probably not using all of the 13 tags on Etsy that I should. I'm not using all of the pictures and images that they suggest. I've had a total of 11,348 views and my inventory value is over $1,000. You can click on the sales map and it says I haven't updated in 20 days. So I'm going to hit the update button. It might take a little while, but for right now, it's showing that I've had 291 orders, which equal over $8,000 in sales in the US, 4 in Canada, the Netherlands, and then 1 in France. This is just like a sales map kind of showing you where you've made purchases from. You know, there's Indiana, there's a lot of sales in Texas, California. There were a lot in Virginia, South Carolina, Georgia. So really good stats just about everywhere. Definitely in the US, okay? They have the listing creator. You can go ahead and pick out keywords that you're focusing on. Maybe I want to type in small business owner and then I'll hit get suggestions. Sometimes it takes a little longer to load. Once you get the keywords, it basically, has the shop, you put the title, who made it. This is just to help you create your listings a little bit better. You can track your competition. You can see how many sales they have, how many listings, and things like that. If you click here, you'll go to their website. They have a calculator to calculate your price. Say I'm charging $30 for a product. And let's see, my shipping is $3.99. And maybe my coupon has 10%. And you add in, your labor costs and Etsy ads and things like that. And then you can basically calculate your price and how much you'll make. The listing fee, the transaction fee, processing fee, and then estimated profit will be about $28.06. That is awesome for using. Of course, you can go ahead and put in labor and materials, shipping, Etsy, and renewing costs if you need to. Also, they have a ROIO calculator if you want to figure out how much money you're using for ads, the clicks per click, the cost per click, the click-through rate, and things like that. They also have a calendar, which is amazing because it shows you some of the days that people don't normally know. Today is November the 9th. So today's like says something about chaos never dies. Tomorrow is forget me not day, vanilla cupcake day. So many different things that can help you when creating products. And again, and then you can add some of your favorite listings and keywords. You can search for basic listings. Let's look for a small business owner shirt. It has a long tail keyword, gives it an A+. The competition is 3,554. The Etsy search volume is 15. There's some other tags that people have here. Spreadsheet for small business. The competition for these words are low. Seems like you can, maybe use these. Average views, 78. Average likes, 12. Posting, then it shows you some of the most popular shirts here, the photos, the pricing, and things like that as well. Here it's showing you the minimum price, the shipping delays, the price spread as well. And if you have never heard of Sales Samurai before, you get tutorials on the first page where you can learn more about the competition tracker, Chrome extension, the calendar, the favorites, and the uploader. I just wanted to give you guys just a tad bit of an overview of Sales Samurai so you can see how it works for yourself. If you want to use this website for yourself, for your Etsy shop, go ahead to the link in my bio and sign up for Sales Samurai. When you first get it, make sure you check out the tutorials so you understand how to use each product, each part of this platform to get the most out of it. You can change the way you use Etsy and create more sales and volume at your Etsy store. Until next time.
I love you more than I love this video. Peace.